My secret is I have joy with everything I do. And I don't do anything that I'm not going to have joy with. Okay? So if you're smart, spiritually smart, not mentally smart, you'd figure out that I basically only do things that I have joy with and fill me with joy. A wise man has faith. You know what that means? That means a fucking dumb fuck does not have faith and lives in fear. Because the opposite of faith is fear. You know? Fucking A, man. It's so easy to understand. Jesus fucking Christ. Have faith in your life. Have faith with the trajectory that you're going. Have faith that it's the right thing and you're moving in the right direction. And a lot of people, you know, they don't have faith. The worst institution is marriage. Marriage is an institution. If you're in it, get the fuck out. Divorce her. Holy fucking shit. Divorce him. Fucking shit. Divorce each other, man. You know, I hear like people say, like, oh, the divorce rate's so high. It's like, what is enough? Hey, John Tzortzis here. And to go on another self-journey, one must first be like a little baby, ready to go on one's first steps. I'm a little baby. Are you a little baby? And what do babies do? They expect the unexpected. Hey, Divinity Seekers, welcome back. Yeah. It's a great day today. I just put another article up on Medium, and I ended it with, now I gotta go grab a bite to eat, because that's what I'm doing. And in the article, I told them the secret to my life. Want to hear my secret? My secret is I have joy with everything I do. And I don't do anything that I'm not going to have joy with. Okay? So if you're smart, spiritually smart, not mentally smart, you'd figure out that I basically only do things that I have joy with and fill me with joy. And then you're like, what about like dusting and builds? And yeah, I have joy when I do that stuff. I find joy because I'm grateful. I'm grateful all the time, and I'm grateful because I'm praying. And I'm praying because I have faith. Motherfucker, man. A wise man has faith. You know what that means? That means a fucking dumb fuck does not have faith and lives in fear. Because the opposite of faith is fear. You know? Fucking A, man. It's so easy to understand. Jesus fucking Christ. Have faith in your life. Have faith with the trajectory that you're going. Have faith that it's the right thing and you're moving in the right direction. And a lot of people, you know, they don't have faith. That's too bad. You gotta find faith, you know? Like a lie that covers the truth. You gotta uncover the lie to find the truth, man. And the truth is, we should all be living joyful, healthy lives. You know, we do it one day at a time. You know, a lot of times people are like, they can't figure out that the lies that are being told to them. Every day I work at uncovering fucking lies that the government, the people around me, my sister, my friends, my family, they fucking tell me lies all the fucking time, man. Holy fucking shit. And I got to uncover the fucking lies. It's my job, my responsibility. I shouldn't curse them saying, those fucking liars, those dirty cheats. No, fuck that. No. Let them be evil is one of my t-shirts that I have. You know, let them be evil. Okay? You got to let them be evil. And our job as good people and divinity seekers is to uncover the lies. You know? The shirt that I'm wearing right now is the moon landing, okay? The fucking moon landing, man. Fucking A. You believe that shit? You're an idiot and a dumb fuck if you do. And so easy to prove that the moon landing was fake. So fucking easy. All you gotta do is look at pictures, okay? And I'm gonna give you one hint here, okay? One fucking hint. How many light sources are on the moon? There is no moon. You can't land on it. But how many light sources are on the moon? Let's do some critical thinking here. How many is it? 7? 7 light sources? Is it 25? No! 1! The sun! The fucking sun. That's the light source that's on the moon. Okay? Fucking A, man. That's why I like wearing the shirt. So if there's one light source, how many shadows? You know, see the shadow here underneath me? The shadow here? There's one shadow. But when you look at the pictures on the moon, there's multiple shadows. Because there's multiple light sources. Because it's done in a studio. Fucking A, man. It's done in a fucking studio. There's multiple shadows. How do you explain multiple shadows? Easy. They never went to the moon. That's how you explain it. Okay? Once you figure that out, you never have to look at that again. Moon landing was fake. Fake as uck. Holy fucking shit, man. Has one taken my Know Thyself Now quiz? What are you waiting for? Take it right now. RestoringOurWorldToParadise.com, and you'll find out if you're a novice, an amateur, amateur plus, or an expert. Take it today. I can't believe how people still believe that shit, but people are lied to and they don't look into it. You know, one of the best institutions for lying is? You know what the best institution in the world for lying? Not prisons, no. Even though there's a lot of lying that goes on in prisons. The worst institution is marriage. Marriage is an institution. If you're in it, get the fuck out. Divorce her. Holy fucking shit. Divorce him. Fucking shit. Divorce each other, man. You know, I hear like people say, like, oh, the divorce rate's so high. It's like, what is it now? 50%, 60%, whatever it is. I don't know what it is. But when I see the divorce rate at 50%, I'm like, this is bullshit. Okay? It should be at 100% divorce rate. Everyone should get divorced. No one should ever get married. That's the way I look at it. Nobody should ever fucking be married in the state. Okay? Holy fucking shit. Nobody should be married in the state. Nobody ever should. The divorce rate should be 100% and the marriage rate should be 0. Don't you see that the government is in charge of your marriage? Because it's got laws. People are like, oh, I don't like a prenup. What a dumb fuck. Anybody who doesn't like a prenup is a stupid fucking piece of shit. Stupid as fuck. I don't like a prenup. What the fuck does 50-50 mean? 50-50. That's a prenup already. That's a prenuptial already made in basically a law. The law is a prenup, you dumb fuck. And you get married and you have an automatic prenup. 50-50, you know? and she gets the kids. You gotta fight for your kids, man. You wanna get married with the law binding you? Go ahead, dumb fuck. You stupid fucking piece of shit. No. You wanna be free, man. Free as a bird. Birds don't get married. They fuck, they have kids, boom, they give up. You know, nobody gets married. Lions? Do lions get married? Do giraffes get married? No, they just fuck and have kids, and they take care of their offspring. Okay? Only us humans fucking get married. Fucking dumb fucking idea. The dumbest idea in the world. Whoever came up with that shit. You know? Do cats and dogs get married? No, they fuck and they take care of the kids, and the kids grow up, and the environment, and God takes care of them. They don't need fucking laws taking care of them. What fucking idiots, the fucking dumb fucks. Fucking A. Fucking A, man. Fucking A. No, the stupidest thing in the world is to get married in the state. And if you want to do it, what you do is you write a piece of paper with the girl that you're going with, you know. You could write it with her, or you could write it yourself, and then if she agrees to it, you know, whatever you want. If we have kids, this is what's going to happen. If, you know, 50-50, if you want it that way, or I get the kids, you know, or if I were to do it again, I don't have any kids, but if I were to get married again with a girl, I basically would say, listen, you're going to be my surrogate. And I'm going to pay you $50,000, $100,000, $10,000, whatever the fuck I want to say, whatever you agreed to be my surrogate for my kids. You get the kids, and when they're married, when the kids are born, they belong to me. Here, sign this piece of paper in front of a notary, and that's my marriage right there. Okay, it's really simple to do. You just go together in front of a notary with your paper, and whatever you write on it, with both of you agreeing to it, of course. You don't want to like enslave somebody to do something, but if she doesn't agree to it, then she's not the one. So you don't fuck her. Okay? What are you ejaculating anyways for? Fucking ejaculators. Fucking this world is filled with ejaculators, man. You know how hard it is to find people who don't fucking ejaculate? Holy fucking shit. Everyone's like an ejaculator. They like to watch porn, and I don't do that shit, man. And I'm trying to find people who don't ejaculate, and it's like really hard to do, you know, because everyone likes to jerk off. We're living in a world of fucking jerk-offs and masturbators and shit. That's what I'm realizing, man. So I'm here at the place where I want to eat, which is Buena Beef. And yeah, I'm a vegetarian, but they got stuff here. They got roasted veggie pizza. They also have if I feel like it, I can have like a vegan beef with onion rings, you know. But yeah, and like people lie. Okay, they lie to themselves and to other people. Oh, she'll get better. It's one of the biggest lies we always tell ourselves. Oh, she didn't mean it. She didn't mean it, what she said. Yeah, she did! You fucking idiot! She didn't mean it? Oh, she'll get better, huh? How many years are you gonna go around waiting for her to get better? Kick her to the fucking curb if she's no good. Fucking A, just fucking divorce her. Fuck, what are you waiting for? For her to divorce you? Anyways, I gotta go eat. Happy, joy. Be good. Be real fucking good. And I'll catch you on the flip side. For more Northern Self products and services, check out my store at restoringourworldtoparadise.com. You can book a transformational session, go see my Redbubble designs for t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, stickers, and more. And you can also get my books there too. Check the link below.